In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make an age-restricted channel here on Discord on desktop, whether you're in the browser or in the PC app. This is going to be that NSFW channel. But before we dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But first things first, obviously go ahead and open up Discord, either on the browser or on the desktop app, and navigate to the server where you want to go ahead and create a channel. And either create a channel by just selecting the right click and then hitting create channel, or find whatever one you want to make age restricted. In this example, just because I'm the only one really in this server, I'm just going to make general age restricted. But essentially create the channel and hover over it, and what you're going to see is this little gear icon. Go ahead and select the edit channel gear icon. From here within the channel settings, go ahead and find this overview tab right here, and if you scroll down you're going to see age restricted channel. Go ahead and tick that on. From here go ahead and hit save changes, and now when you exit back to the server you're going to see that it has this little like age restricted like exclamation mark thing over here. That's how you know that you've done it correctly. And whenever users click in this channel, they get a warning prompt saying they must select continue to go ahead and enter. And obviously they do have to be of age in order to get on this. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.